To get the best out of your new LG dishwasher, it's important to select the correct cycle and options for each load. After viewing this video, refer to the cycle guide located in the manual if necessary. If you use the same cycle frequently, press start on the control panel and close the door within the 4-second countdown. Or close the door and then press start. The dishwasher will default to the cycle selected from the previous load. If the door isn't closed after pressing start within the 4-second countdown, the timer LED flashes, a tone will sound, and the cycle doesn't start. Restart by powering off and then on, and resetting the wash cycle and options. To change the cycle and options to fit each load, first select the cycle. The auto cycle senses the soil amount and soil toughness and is optimized to achieve the best cleaning. The heavy cycle is for heavily soiled dishes and dishes with hardened-on soil. The cycle defaults to the strongest spray intensity and higher wash temperatures. Use the delicate cycle to clean delicate items such as fine china and stemware. For moderately soiled everyday loads, use the normal cycle. For a powerful clean in less time, select the turbo cycle for heavily soiled dishes. For an even faster wash cycle, to clean lightly soiled dishes, select the express cycle. To activate the express cycle, press and hold turbo for 3 seconds. The rinse cycle is used for refreshing clean dishware that may have been sitting in a cabinet for long periods of time. Do not use detergent when using the rinse cycle. To activate the rinse cycle, press and hold normal for 3 seconds. You can also download and use dedicated cycles using a Wi-Fi enabled smartphone. After selecting a cycle, choose an option for that wash cycle. The dual zone option automatically sets the spray intensity to soft for the upper spray arm and strong for the lower spray arm. Properly load your dishware for best results. Avoid nesting dishware when possible. For small loads, use the half load option to wash just the upper or lower rack and save energy and time. Press half load repeatedly to select one rack and intensively wash that rack. The energy saver option increases the wash time to maintain wash performance while saving energy by reducing the wash and rinse temperatures. Do not use this cycle with heavily soiled items. As mentioned before, the extra dry option helps drying performance by raising the heated rinse temperature and extending the drying time. You can also raise the main wash temperature by selecting the high temp option to improve cleaning. Note: if the dishwasher's door is open immediately after a wash cycle, a chime alert will sound, indicating that the interior of the tub and dishes are very hot. Always allow the unit and dishes to cool before removing the dishware. The night dry option will cycle a fan on and off throughout the night to ensure maximum dryness of your dishware. The night dry option will default to on automatically for most wash cycles except for the normal cycle. Before going to bed, press and hold extra dry for 3 seconds to activate the night dry option. The delay start feature delays the start of a selected cycle. Each time the delay start button is pressed, the delay time increases by an hour. The delay time can be set from 1 to 12 hours in 1-hour increments. Once the delay start time is selected, press start to begin the countdown.